Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine's Andrew.
We're in Scratching and Andrew's account, Techno 468.
So today I'm going to show you my remix called Minecraft Blast. So originally it was just a ball blast. Okay, so here you shoot mob heads, and then you get gold and diamonds. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I changed. So first, in the player hitbox is like basically a cannon. It was originally a cannon, and then I changed it into a bow because that was like the only shooting thing that fitted it. Okay. And then the bullet. So originally it was just bullets. So here I changed it into a Minecraft arrow, which fits the bow. And then when you level up, you get the trident. And then the balls, which were like originally these number balls, you're gonna shoot the ball until the number goes down to 0, and then it'll pop and go into smaller, like slimes in Minecraft. So first, the ball is creeper, the creeper head. So the code like changes the creeper head's color. So it might not be like this green one, not like a usual one. And then the second kind of ball is a zombie head. Then in the coins, and change it. So here there are coins. So first, this first simple coin, which is supposed to be a regular coin, I changed it into a golden ingot, and the second one into a diamond because like it fits the original coin's color. And then the third one, lapis lazuli. Then in the skin player, I just changed it into a bow. So these were basically like shooting animations, but I just did this. Then in the thumbnail, it was originally ball blast. You can kind of see the white shadow to make it like pop out. So I did Minecraft Blast over here. And then the sprites, this is where I got my sprites in. And where's the title? I also changed the title. Okay, so now let's play. So I'm gonna go first. Okay, here you can upgrade your face with big coins.
Right now we don't have any coins.
Yeah, because when you shoot stuff, you get the coins. See, now they're popping into the middle.
So those gold ingots
Or coins. Diamond.
This
You
is
can also
right now level 1, so it's kind of easy.
Oh no!
Oh, Andrew's eye.
I got stuck in retreat. If I move this way, I might have escaped them, but not.
When Andrew goes to level 2, I'm gonna play. I'm not so good, but final ball already.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Now you go to level 2. So level 2 is like harder, and there are more balls with more numbers. Now
You can upgrade. You have 13,
so when you upgrade your coins, you get like different coins, like diamonds or diamonds. Fire speed can upgrade your coins. See, now there's 4, and there's 2. But Kalia upgraded the firepower, so now each shot is 2 damage.
Ah, zombie, I hate zombies.
I'm level 8.
Go.
The higher level you go, the more numbers there. 3.
Oh no, I thought I would dodge it.
That's for the fire speed.
We only have 2 left.
Sometimes
I saw two arrows. I think the 2 arrows are like more stronger. Oh, this is so much harder than what I did. Final ball is a 2. That's so easy.
So now we're on level 3. Let's upgrade
Which one?
No, I don't.
Yeah, okay, I'm good. So big! Ah!
6.
Too many of them. Okay. $12? Oh, the 12 was too big.
The number, it'll be like
hard,
the number,
the
bigger the
and harder.
yeah.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.